Hi there, and welcome. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the noise of everyday life? The endless to-do lists, the buzzing notifications, and the constant go, go, go? I know I have. But today, I want to share something that's not just helped me manage all of that. It's completely changed my life. It's simple, it's accessible, and it's incredibly powerful. Walking in nature. Walking in nature might seem like just a leisure activity, but for me, it's become so much more than that. It's my therapy, my workout, my meditation, and my way of reconnecting with myself and with the world around me. Let me tell you why this simple habit has been so transformative. First, there's the science. Did you know that spending time in nature can lower your stress level and boost your mood? It's true. Just 20 minutes in green space can reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and leave you feeling calmer and happier. And then there's the physical side of it. Walking in nature isn't just good for your soul. It's a workout that doesn't feel like work. The uneven trail engages your muscles, the fresh air energizes you, and the natural light helps regulate your sleep. It's the kind of fitness routine I actually look forward to, because it's not just about fitness, it's about freedom. I think the bench needs some upgrading. But what I love most is how it's taught me to be present. When I'm out here, it's just me, my footsteps, and the world around me. No emails, no distractions, just this moment. Walking in nature has given me clarity when I felt lost, peace when I felt overwhelmed, and joy when I needed it most. It's not just something I do, it's become a part of me. It's who I am. It's December 15 and it's a beautiful day. It's around +7 degrees Celsius. So, if you're feeling stressed, stuck, or just disconnected, I encourage you to give it a try. Step outside, find a trail, and see what happens. You might just discover that the answers you were seeking for have been waiting for you in the trees, in the sky, and in the earth beneath your feet. Thanks for joining me on this journey today. If this video inspires you to take a walk in nature, let me know in the comments. Share your favorite spots or how nature has helped you in your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can keep exploring the magic of walking in nature together. What you're seeing there is the water pollution facility for Comox. The facility is completely fenced in and the trail runs around it. There are a few houses at the end of this path, and then if you just cross the road past the houses, you end up at my favorite place. So I'm out the next day because I didn't make it here the other day while I was taking the Marsh Trail. It was getting too late and I had to go home before it got dark. So now I'm out the next day and it's not a sunny day. It did rain this morning. And when you do come out, this is where you end up at the end of the trail. At the beach. And it's pretty cool temperature wise today, I'll tell you. It's always cooler down by the shore. Check out my blog where I've written an article about the hidden benefits of walking in nature. I put the link in the description below. Heading south on the beach, or turning right, connects you with Balmoral Beach. The other name for the beach that I've heard is called Lazo Marsh Beaver Lookout. Beats me why they call it that, but I looked around and couldn't find anything exactly. Maybe there's beavers who make a dam close by. If you travel north on the beach, it's heading towards Point Holmes Beach. I'm heading back over the trail the way I came. Otherwise, you could walk along the beach and do the loop, but it's kind of chilly out here today, so I'll omit that. Remember, every step you take is a step towards health, happiness, and a deeper connection to yourself. See you on the trail.